we're making some oatmeal raisin cookies.
Yes, so what we're gonna need is a cup of flour. And we're gonna put a 3/4 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of, what is this? Baking soda. And put it there in your flour. Okay. And you have to mix it. You wanna mix it?
Yes.
This is your flour, salt, and baking soda. Wanna try it now?
Yeah, baking soda.
Yes. You mix it together. Just like that. That's how you're gonna mix it, Christina.
Hey, let me do it. Let me do it.
That's it. And then we're gonna make the oil and the butter, okay?
Okay.
And now what we need to do is we have
Mommy,
4 tablespoons of butter. Yes.
the butter is fizzing like crazy.
What is that?
The butter is fizzing like crazy.
So silly. It's melting, Christina. You have to melt the butter for about
Mommy.
1 to 2 minutes. Alright. Goodness. Just do that for 1 to 2 minutes, Christina, and make
Can I
and
see
brown
it?
it. No, you can't because it's hot in there. Just mommy, alright? You can stir later, okay? Okay. See, it's almost brown. And mixed it with a half cup of vegetable oil. Did you smell good? It smells good. Did you smell it?
Yes. It smells so good.
That's your butter. See? Now we're gonna put the melted butter. Careful. Ooh. Don't touch it yet, Christina. You're gonna touch it, okay? And put a 4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And mix it up. You smell good? Did you smell it?
Yes.
It
It smells like chocolate.
It's a cinnamon. It should smell cinnamon.
Mom, it smells like chocolate to
Okay.
me.
And then put the vegetable oil, a half cup of vegetable oil. There you go. Then mix it up again. Then you can put sugar, a 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and a half cup of white sugar. Mix it and mix it. Then you can put
What an egg!
yes, 1 egg and 1 yolk. Say it.
One egg and 1 yolk.
Very good. And a teaspoon of, what is this?
Vanilla.
Very good. We can put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you have to mix it. Just like that.
Can I smell the vanilla? Vanilla is my favorite smell. I love vanilla. See, Mommy? Vanilla is my favorite smell.
Now Christina's stirring the
do it really
Oh yeah,
fast.
what you call it? Whatever you call it.
Chocolate cinnamon.
Alright. It's not chocolate cinnamon.
It is. You
This
said
is-
okay.
This is the oil and butter, sugar and cinnamon on it. Then we're gonna put our dry ingredients
Hey,
later.
mommy, I want to do it. I want to do it.
And now we can put our dry ingredients, the flour, the salt, and a baking soda.
Now, is it steam time?
Mm-hmm.
Now, can I?
Okay, you can.
Well, we have now.
What is that?
It has swirls inside now.
It's mommy's turn now.
Mommy, I still want to go. Mommy, now.
Okay, your turn. And now we're gonna put three cups of rolled oats.
Roll
It's
out.
3 cups. Yes.
Roll out.
Ooh, look at
Is
that.
it steer time?
Yes, it's stir time.
I'll do
Goodness.
it.
Oh goodness. You want me to do that now?
Yes, it's your turn now. Whoa. Okay, Mommy.
It is really sticky. Goodness.
Wow, it's really, really
And then we will put our half cup of
raisins.
raisin. There you go.
Is it next time now? Can I do it?
I
do
can
it.
even mix it, Christina. Look. It's so hard.
I want to do it.
Oh goodness. Alright.
See? Whoa. That
Oh,
is
Mommy's turn.
sticky. Well, it's not really your turn. When it's really,
Oh my goodness.
yes,
See? You drop one.
when
your
it's
sleeves.
really,
It's my turn now.
Mommy, it's not really your turn. When it's really your turn, you can go. Now
My
it's your
turn.
turn.
Good. Move a little bit here. No, it's alright. It's alright.
No. Ah,
There you go. Can I go here?
it's my turn.
No, can I
It's
mix
really
it?
my turn. Mom,
Then we need to cook this one
you
for.
cannot go for
No,
a
we need
very long time. I want to go. I want to do it.
We cook this one in 375
Mommy, I
degree
wanna do it
Fahrenheit
again.
for 9 to 10 minutes.
Mommy, I want to do it.
And now we can put just like this, I think. A tablespoon. Just like that.
Wow.
We're gonna flatten it later. So it will flatten. Whoops.
It's like you're making some oatmeal
Whoops. Ay! Ay nako. Just like that.
raisin snowman.
So what I do is just roll it like this so it will like smoothen the ball. Then I will flatten it in the tray. Just like that, a little bit flat. Oops, it's thick.
You wet your hands.
What is it?
Wet your hands.
Look,
Wet your hands and then you pat it down.
Oh, I already did.
Mommy, look.
It worked. So I'm gonna bake this one for 9 to 10 minutes
Look,
in
look.
375 degree Fahrenheit. Here's my oatmeal raisin cookies. I bake it for, I think it's 11 minutes. Looks good. We'll let it rest and cool it down. Then we will eat.
Hi everyone, hi myself. Today my oatmeal raisin cookies are cooked, so now I'm going to try it.
How do you like it?
It tastes so good.
You want some milk with your cookie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, have some of Daddy's.
That's Daddy's milk.
I'll
Wow.
share with
Thank
you.
you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
You can drink the milk. Did
Right.
you
Drink some.
drink some?
Yeah. Oatmeal cookies are good with milk. Whoops. Careful. You make good cookies?
Yeah.
Yes?
You put raw eggs inside.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
But they're not raw anymore because they're cooked.
That's our last batch of cookies. It's cooked. Baked already. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye everyone. Delicious cookies.